Hi, my name's Karen and I'm from Sapphire Blue Travel and Mindset, and today I thought we would talk about power in Europe and the UK. So quickly, just to introduce you to this is an Aussie converter, so my Aussie plugs will go in there, and this one is for the EU, so anywhere in Europe you can use these plugs. They've just got two round prongs and they just plug straight into the board. Mine goes in there and away I go. If you're in the UK, these are what the UK ones look like. They've got the three flattish looking prongs and they both convert to 220 to 240 volts. I know these are a Korjo plug, and in their latest design, so we've had this one for a few years, in their latest designs they've actually gone to a colour coding system. So for our European ones, so that they're easy to find when you're digging them out of your bag, they've actually got a yellow rim around them, a bit like this one's got the blue one for the UK. This is a different brand, but Korjo also got a blue band around their UK plugs too, so that when you're digging around in your bag they're easy to find. Another thing that I want to show you is these 4 USB plugs. Now this is actually got a changeable head on it, so at the moment we have the EU, and this particular brand is really helpful. It actually labels what you use your thing for. They just slip out and the new one slips in, so our EU power pack is now ready for the UK. If you would like to learn more, I've got links down in the description below that will take you to each of those power packs so that you can read and learn more about them, and if you like you could purchase them. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, why not hit the like and the subscribe button, share it with a friend, and as always, thanks for watching. Travel brilliantly. Bye.